Hi guys, Nick here, and today I've got our Blu-ray and DVD unboxing, and movie unboxing, which is a Christmas themed one, which is Violent Night, which I did do my reaction to his official trailer trailers to both the first and second Violent Night movies, which I think this one came out a few years ago. And it's the first one. Well, the second movie is coming up I'm pretty sure in December. It's set in the second movie official trailer. And with the Santa Claus himself on the front of the case, with a candy cane in his mouth with a little flame on it, and some kind of hammer. Yeah, and he's got a little cut on his nose over here. Here, here's a bottle case. Here we got some bonus features, along with outside scenes from the movie. And after watching both trailers for Violent Night 1 and 2, I'm kind of curious to see what it is like. As you guys remember, in that reaction video, I said I wasn't really interested in seeing in both movies, but just want to check out trailers for that initial reaction video. But after watching both of those trailers, I'm interested to see what it's like after those trailers. And if you enjoyed today's unboxing, make sure to give this video a like and comment. And if you're new to the channel and want to see more videos like this, along with some other stuff that I may upload to the channel, press the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified when new videos upload to the channel, along with once a week live streams. And then also share this video with anybody now. And let's open the plastic. Then open up the Blu-ray case and take a look at what both Blu-ray and DVD is going to be looking like for the movie here. And that's it for the plastic. Let's take a look on the inside. And we got the DVD on the left and the Blu-ray on the right. Anyway, these are standard Blu-ray discs, DVD and Blu-ray discs without any artwork on it besides the name of the movie and the studio. Stuff that was on the movie here. In color red, since Santa Claus's hat and coat is red, along with the sleigh. You're probably going to watch this movie when it's around the Christmas season, since this is a Christmas type movie. And that is going to be it for today. And like, comment, and subscribe. And turn on that notification bell new. And more videos will be coming to the channel soon. And I'll see you guys in my next video. And peace.